I did a couple of updates on my 3D design case, and let's start with the feet. I added some feet to the case just for the PSU to have some clearance for fresh air. But as you can see, the feet are from a different project, so they are not aligning as they should, but they do the job. And they are just hand pressed, as you can see, and mounted on the entry screws. So you just have to press them and they will stay in place. Also, I added a 80mm fan from Arctic. It's a slim one, it's very silent, and it's just to pull some fresh air into the case for the GPU. I removed the Wi-Fi card because I was not using it. This PC just stays connected over Ethernet. Currently it's my main Plex server. There will be a video in the future with my old Plex server and see if we can refurbish something out of it, because it's quite old now. The system is also old, but not as old as the previous one was. So this one still does the job. These are the majority of the updates that I did. I want now to replace the CPU cooler, because it's a stock one and it can be quite annoying sometimes. I bought this slim cooler a few months ago, maybe more than 1 year, and didn't had any project to use it on, so I guess this is the time. And it's also white, it's matching the entire case. The mounting procedure, I thought it would be easy. I thought that it's just removing the old fan heatsink and placing the new one on top of it. So I wanted to record the entire process. Unfortunately, it's not as easy as it seems to be when I started. But, well, this is what happens when you don't check the manual before starting the job. So I started to remove everything, the screws that holds down the GPU itself, and some parts of the case, just to have some clearance. But I then realized that the new heatsink is not really plug and play, meaning that you can just put it on top, because it's held in place by screws from under the motherboard. Also, I removed, as you can see here, the slots that I have for 2.5 hard drives. I added a big one at 3.5, very good at 2 terabytes. I mounted the fan and heatsink, as you can see, but well, I had to remove everything because it will be screwed from behind the motherboard. Well, if you would check the installation guide first, you would see that it requires the screws to be set from under the motherboard. So yeah, it was a bit of a pain removing everything, but now the process is complete. So these are all the updates that I did to the case until now. In the future I am planning to make it just a little bit bigger, so can accommodate 3.5 hard drives, maybe standing up, because there's not enough space to keep them horizontally. Currently this is the latest version. I will provide the files for the new plate with the GPU cooler and also the feet in the same repository on Maker's World, and it will also be in the description. I hope you've enjoyed the changes. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe if you're not yet a subscriber, and see you in the next one. Cheers.